So some common strategies for requirements discovery. I can use a high to low level detail of abstraction. So gather requirements from end to end of the project at one level and then iterate down through the project. I can do slices. So I can take a subset of those use cases that we described, go from end to end for those use cases, and then move on to the next group. Consider things like geography. Do I have people available for each one of those things? Are they coming in from out of town? So I used this methodology, maybe a little bit of the hybrid approach for Frito-Lay, where we talked about their in-cab transportation system for their over-the-road truckers. And we brought the truckers, or the drivers, in for 3 days, and we went from top to bottom, end to end, as far as they were concerned, for their topics. And then the next day we brought in the administrators, and the next day the dispatchers, and that was the end of the first week. As we brought in each next slice, we used a little bit of a hybrid approach where we reviewed all the current content that was described and then made any changes, because of course the drivers didn't want to do some things and the administrators and the dispatchers insisted on them doing certain things. The following week we brought in the management team who reviewed all of the content, added their content that they would like from use cases, and then we brought them all back at the end to review the content to make sure it was all correct. Okay, so we used a little bit of a hybrid approach. At the end of the day, you have to do what yields the best results for your project. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and additional resources are in the description box below.